Good evening. So we'll be learning how to execute the email validation program. Go to the Eclipse. Okay, you need to create a dynamic web project. Go to the new. Click on other. Go to the web folder, dynamic web project. Click on next. Give the project name here. Okay. Target runtime, you select it as a none. Okay. Don't make any changes. See, it is already existing. It is giving. So we'll give some other name. Target runtime none. Click on next, and click on finish. See, our project is created here. Go to the main. Okay. Now you can create, right click on the web app, and you can go to the new, because we want to create here JSP file. Click on others. Now select here the JSP file. Click on next. Give the name here like email2.jsp. This is the JSP file where we want to create our email validation code. Click on finish. See, here now you can type your code. Okay, email2.jsp, which is there here. Okay, so we already have our code here, so we'll just copy paste it. Okay, save it. So this is our code. There are no errors. So this is our code. Now you can run it. Okay, now some settings we need to do on the project. So right click on the project. We need to add the jar files because we are connecting this our JSP program with the database. So we need to add here jar files. Go to the build path. Click on the configure build path. Library tab. You can either click on the module path or class path. Click on module path. Add external jars. Select the jar file. Click on open. Click on apply and close. So if you go to the project and when you click on the reference libraries, you can see here jar file has been added. You need to also add the jar file to the lib folder. See, go to the web init. See, here is the lib folder where you need to add the jar file. But while clicking on the configure build path, you cannot add the jar file. You need to copy paste the jar file there. Okay, go to the location where your jar file is there. So we'll copy this jar file. Go to the Eclipse and paste it here. See, our jar file is here. Okay, one more setting you need to do. Go to the right click on the project. Go to the properties. Go to deployment assembly. Click on apply. Go to the add Java build path entries. Click on next. Select the jar file. Click on finish. Apply and close. Okay. Now as you need to connect our email application with the database, so you need to go to the database. Okay. So this is how we are going to create the database here. First type there create database, your database name, then use your database name. Okay, you need to create the table here, create table users. Two fields we have added here, name and email. Okay, then our table is created here, user table. Insert the records in that, insert into user values. Two records we have inserted here. See, these are the two records we have inserted here. Okay, so our database is ready. You can check in the coding, see whether same database is available or not. See here. See, our database name is same here, and this is the SQL, MySQL username, and this is the password. Okay, it should match. And see here, we are going to take here star from user. This is your table name. From this table you are fetching, you are retrieving your email ID. You are checking now your email ID. See, so result you are executing here, and if the email ID is found, this statement will get executed. If the email ID is not found, this statement will get executed. Okay, so let us run it now. Right click on the JSP, run as, run on server, save it, select the Tomcat server, click on next, click on finish. See, it is ready to open. It is opening your web browser. See, this is the URL. Say localhost port number is 80. This is the URL address of the JSP page. Now enter the record which is there in that table. So this record is already we have entered in that table. Just click on the validate. So when you click on the validate, whether the email exists or no, you can able to find it out. See, it is showing the result email exists in database. If you enter the record which is not there in the database table, see when we click here validate, it will show email is not found. Okay, this is how we execute the email validation program. Thank you.